We're here at TA SHING in Taiwan. It's been 3 years since we've been able to get over to the factory. There's been so much going on during that time period. After 45 years, spent a good part of my life over in this yard, and it's great to be back and looking forward to getting back more and more. I mean, typically our project managers are at the factory many times throughout the year, and due to the pandemic, we've had to transition over into Zoom meetings and GoToMeeting and so forth. But there's nothing like being here on site to see issues and develop things, improve the boats. Yeah, so this TA SHING, this is the original factory. Time went on, the boats got bigger and bigger, and a lot of the sailboats that they were building went by the wayside. And pretty much TA SHING over the past 20 years or so has built nothing but Nordhavns for PAE. This factory was built in the late 70s. And we were here during that time period, so when we first started coming, I was 22 years old, and this was all brand new. In fact, TA SHING, the name, essentially means big and new in Taiwanese. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite parts of the factory. This is where all the raw lumber is sawn down, and there's always a big stack of beautiful logs over here, and they process it through and cut down to proper dimensions, and then they air dry it, and there is a kiln dryer. This is just a really cool place. It's old school, boats are being built, wood's being cut like it was 100 years ago, and there's not many factories around that still have this capability of taking the raw lumber, the raw logs, processing them into the wood that's being used to build the boat, and it's a pretty neat area back here. Just around the corner, across not more than a quarter of a mile from here as the crow flies, is another facility, and that's where we're building the 71. That has its own separate new production line there. In the background here is one of our latest projects, the Nordhavn 71, and that is hull number 1 right there, and hull number 2 is behind it, the gray boat, and we have a third boat going into the mold. So we're particularly excited about this boat. This is a brand new design, and it incorporates all of the ruggedness and features of a Nordhavn, but it has a little bit more contemporary styling, not trying to make it ultra modern, but just give it a up-to-date look. And it's hard to tell right now because the flybridge deck is not on, rails are not on, but we're very pleased with the profile of the boat. And of course, the interior is spectacular. It's a beautiful layout, lots of room, very wide beam boat, and I think it's going to be a very popular boat to our Nordhavn fleet. This is the 10th motor sailor, the 56-foot motor sailor that's in production, and we're real excited about that. We've always loved this boat, and there seems to be some renewed interest in it, and this boat is in production. This is the deck here, and the hull is over here, which a lot of the interior is going in. The deck will be placed on this within a few weeks, I believe. Most of the interior has to be in the boat before the deck goes on. So we're very excited about this. You see right here, this is a new 68 that is just scheduled to depart. That's kind of the final position in the yard before the boat leaves. And right now the hard top's going on, spars being erected. None of that can be done inside the factory because of the height. And when it's all completed, it will push out and run down the street to the Anping Harbor. So the boat's going down these narrow roads, and it's a pretty wild scene to see this boat pull out of here and go down and be launched into the harbor. Yeah, so we're here at the brand new South Coast Kaohsiung yard. It's a brand new facility. This trip, it's the first time we've even seen it aside from photographs. And it's fantastic, beautiful facility. Behind me here is 625 number 3, 625 number 2, 625 number 4, 625 number 1, and 80 number 4 is here. And we've got room for a couple more boats to get in here, but it's all brand new, beautiful facility right on the water, so easy access in and out. Yeah, so just another area in the factory. We're here in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and this beautiful harbor right here will be developed here. You can see we've got docks going in, and there'll be ultimately a travel lift, but in the interim we'll just crane launch off into the water here. Every boat leaving the factory's got to go in the water and run on its own bottom to the shipping site where the commercial ships come in. But lots of open space here, room for expansion, and we're real excited.